Teacher Mindy here. Today I have two things to share with you. One is a celebration of 150 subscriber giveaway. I have 3 prizes that I would like to give away to 3 different people. All you have to do is comment on the video below and give me a thumbs up, and I will enter your name in a drawing for a giveaway. On June 25th, I'm going to pick 3 lucky winners to win a prize, and the prize I'm going to announce next week when I pick the names of what each person is going to get. So 3 prizes of the names that comment below will be entered in the giveaway. I will be selecting the names on June 25th and see who wins the prize. So don't forget to comment. Now, the second part is about Outschool. Are you considering teaching on Outschool, but you just have no idea what to teach? Well, I'm going to give you some tips and tricks on what to teach on Outschool. What classes would be good for you to teach on Outschool? So first, I want to talk about the classes I have created for Outschool. So far, I have 3 classes that are approved. I just sent in a 4th class to get approved. I'm just kind of doing one class at a time as far as creating the content and uploading it each week. One class creation a week, but I teach several in a week. So the first class I created was my tea party class. It's a princess tea party class, and it has been booking really well. And it was just kind of a simple class to start with and to get my feet wet. But I did combine reading a book at the tea party and making a craft at the tea party. So that was really important, that I combined 2 things that I enjoy doing. Drinking tea, well, actually 3 things. Drinking tea, reading, and a craft. So I combined all 3 things. Now, the next class that I created was Kindness Rocks. So the Kindness Rocks class, it's been getting some bookings. It isn't full by no means, but it's just starting to get more and more bookings. So I think people are finally starting to find that class. And with that, the students work on painting kindness rocks while I read to them about scribble stones, and I go over the history of kindness rocks and what they are. And we have a great discussion. Now, the other class that I created was a novel study because of Winn-Dixie, and it was actually on the Sunday parent request list. I made it because I love that book. It's an awesome book, but it was requested and I was like, hey, I can totally do a novel study because of Winn-Dixie. I have not had anyone sign up for that class. Even though it was requested by a parent or a student, I haven't had anyone sign up. So I'm thinking that I know in the summer months, the students are mostly looking for non-academic classes. They're looking to do something fun with their time. So I think it's just kind of bad timing right now for it. And B, I think the students have to purchase the book and they have to read the book. So they need a lot of lead time before taking this class. So I'm going to still post it and just kind of see what happens. If eventually somebody's interested in taking it, if not, I can always just postpone doing any openings of slots until maybe more during the school year where they're more interested in academics versus fun classes. So my suggestions for what you should teach on Outschool. You should teach what you are passionate about and what you are interested in. So you need to think about, what is my little niche that I am really excited about teaching? And maybe it's several things, and that's okay. But you need to stay in your area that you are super excited about. This will allow your love and your passion for the subject to shine through when you're teaching, and the students and the parents will certainly notice that. I would suggest doing a search on Outschool under the topics that you're interested in. So if you find a topic that you're interested in and you notice that that topic is getting sold out or is a high demand, very popular class, then you might want to do a class on that topic. Now, I just want to make it totally clear. I am not telling you to copy exactly what the other teacher is offering. I'm just saying, look at the class, see what they're offering, what the subject is, and then put your own unique twist on the class. Make it unique and special to your teaching style, to your interests, and then go ahead and list the class. But do not, by no means, copy exactly what some other teacher's doing. But you can look to see what other teachers are doing and what is getting sold out, what is super popular, and do something similar to that. But it's very, very important to make sure that you aren't teaching a class just because it's in high demand. So for example, one YouTuber that I follow is doing very well on Outschool, and she's teaching classes in Minecraft. Now, I know nothing about Minecraft, zero. So if I try to teach a Minecraft class just because I want to get a bigger paycheck from Outschool, I am sure that it will show through in my teaching that it's something I'm not passionate and interested in at all. So besides the dollar amount that you would earn, you have to think about what you're interested in. And then also consider how many students you really can handle at one time and give them quality instruction and give them quality attention. I had a class today with 5 students in it, and I really believe probably 5 or 6 students would be the maximum I would want to teach at one time. And that's just me. That's how I feel about teaching. I love teaching, even when I was in the brick and mortar school, to small groups of students at a time versus a big, huge classroom. So those are my tips. Teach what you're passionate about, search what is popular, and give your own unique twist to it. And I'm sure you will have successful classes on Outschool. Please give the video a thumbs up and comment below to be entered in that drawing. Thanks for watching. Bye.